it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am planning the week of June 14th through the 20th in my classic vertical planner, and I feel like I have stalled as long as I possibly could, and I just decided, you know what, I've got to get started. I got back from vacation on Thursday, and I was like, I'm gonna do my plan for next week and get ready. And I haven't done it. And I sat up here in my planner room for a good hour just staring at my sticker books and just not knowing like how to start or what to do. I don't know if you guys ever have those ruts where you're just like, I don't even know what to use. And I was like, nope, I can't do this anymore. It's been an hour. Just grab the sticker books and turn on the camera. So here's where we're at. So I'm hoping that I can get through this and it's not too long. I just sometimes I have that like, I don't know what it's called, perfection paralysis maybe, like where you're like, okay, I've got this, I've got to do this and I'm gonna do it good, and then I don't know, like I stall. So I also grabbed 2 sticker books that I love and I've kind of been hoarding and not using. So I grabbed Simple Brights. I bought a second one of these while I was in Florida. So hello, and I haven't even used the first one. Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it, and I grabbed Good Vibes because I've only barely used it. And I was like, I'm just gonna pull the stickers out and I'm gonna start. So this is all I've pulled out. I just grabbed stuff, I don't know. These are all from Good Vibes, and these are from the Simple Brights. But I know I'm going to need boxes and stuff, so I'm just going to use these. This Hello Sunshine with the license plate made me think of Florida because it's a sunshine state. It is, right? Anyway, I hope it is. I think it is. So I'm going to use this because we're going on a road trip on Friday. Yes, I'm heading back to the beach. And not just any beach, I'm literally going back to the same city. I'm going to Panama City with my family and our close friends. So I kind of thought this would be good for a road trip. So I grabbed that. Okay, so I've got a lot to do this week so that we can go on Friday. So I think what I'm gonna do is put down some appointment boxes. Those always get me kind of going and on the right track. I think I want to, let me see some of these because I think these are cute too because they've got the little icons on them. Yeah, these. I think these are really cute. All right. So let's see what we start with. Let's do Friday. I'm going to put this. There's probably a road trip sticker somewhere. So I'm going to have to look for that. Here's when we're driving, and we are doing it all in one day. I know, crazy, but we usually do when we go to Destin, but this is different. We're going to Panama City, and I want to say it's maybe, an extra hour or so. So you would think, oh, that's not that big of a deal, but I don't know. It's kind of starting to feel like it's a big deal. I'm wondering if I should white out part of the box or just, let's see, let's look at it with my thing right here. Or if I should just go YOLO and go for it. I don't know. We're YOLOing. It's happening. It's happening. Boom. It happened. Normally, you know me, I white it out, but you know what? I'm going for it. We're doing crazy things. Okay, I'm going to put, although I don't like that one. As I just said, we can put it down. Nope, I don't like it. With this being clear, I can see the line there, and I'm not a big fan. So I think I'm just going to white out a section of the box. And that's where I'm going to put the sticker. There we go. Let's have a look. All right, we'll do it right there. Yay. Oh, that's cute. All right, look, I already have something down. Things are happening. Okay, and then let's see. I know I'm gonna have a lot of meetings this week and things. So I think I'm actually going to, maybe I'll just put this pink box here. I know I for sure have one on Tuesday. I'm gonna put that. And I did grab a little work sticker. I'm gonna do it like that maybe? Yeah. There we go. And then I know I've also got stuff happening Thursday, so let's put that. And I'm not sure. Let's use this mint one. This looks fun. And I'll put it here. Why not? Oh my gosh, that's really crooked. And I didn't stick it down to something. You know, I always do that. I like to put it down on sticker paper first because it's much easier if you need to reposition. Oh, come on. I'm holding my breath. It's coming off. It's coming off. It's happening. Yes. Okay. You can even stick it on the back of your hand first, but just something so that you know, get a little bit of the sticky off. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I did it again. No, that's better. That's much better. Okay, so now I've got that there, and let's see. I feel like I need a bigger one. I know I'm gonna have like a bunch of stuff to do right before we leave, so let's look at some of those kind of stickers. Those like, they're not to-dos. Well, yeah, they're kind of like long to-do lists. There's probably some in here. I bet there's some in here. It's just weird to go, like I'm going right back, not in the same place, obviously, because we stayed at Heather's family's house or condo. And so I'm not going there, but I'm going to the same area, the same city. So it's kind of like crazy. And we don't normally go there. We always go to Destin, so this is kind of new for me. All right, hold up. Maybe one of these get it done. This would be good. Look, I'm gonna stick it down first. Ooh, and that could go. Okay, look at me, I'm already planning. All right, let's see. Let's put this maybe over here. Yeah, look at that. And then maybe this good vibes. I hope I left enough room for it. But maybe this can fit right here. Okay, hold up. I'm already like, I feel like do I want the notch of that box to show, or do I want to cover it up like it's supposed to be this way? I think I'm going to cover it. Okay. So I'm going to cover it so it looks like it was layered versus I put it on top of it. It really doesn't matter, but I think I just want it like this so that pink shows through. Perfect. Okay, so I've got that. And let's see what else. There's so many boxes and cool things in here. And I just know that I'm gonna have a ton of other stuff. I might even put one every day because I know there's just gonna be so much going on. And I also like to leave room to write, especially like, I almost use this as when I go on a trip as a kind of place to put notes of what we did so that I'll have that for like a memory planner or that sort of thing. So gotta save room for that. Okay. And then I'm wondering if I put this one over here. I feel like I have a bunch with icons and then none with icons over here. I'm gonna put this one right here. There, and then I'm gonna I need another one over here. I realized I did 2 of the same color. It's okay. I'm already like, but it's okay. And let's see, maybe I'll add this teal in. Then we can add some teal accents as well. I'm nervous about getting stuff done this week because my husband's already off. I don't know if yours is like mine, but if you know what I'm talking about, like, I feel like I get derailed a lot. I'm wondering if this gold should go here. Okay. And then I'm just putting some decorative accents on here. Maybe I'll put this here. Let's look. Can go there. Or wait. I can use this guy. I kind of like this one. Yeah. And I've got these little flowers. I don't know. I mean, I know there's one there, but I don't know that I want to do that. I don't know if I'm feeling it. No. I'm all, nope. Now I've got some other stuff. It's funny because sometimes when you start laying things down, you're like, I don't really like that. And that's kind of where I'm at. I'm not sure about this one. Let's see. So I've got the Sunshine State over here. So maybe I put like a rainbow right over here. And see, I don't feel like these go. So I'm gonna leave those out. And I don't know about this one anymore. Let's see what other words I can find. I like them being solid. Like, 'cause I was looking at this yay, but I feel like it's too many colors. I feel like I want a solid word. So let's see what other ones we have in here as options. Those have multicolor. Oh, here's some. Amazing, brave, love. Let's see. Beautiful, happy. I'm like, I'm not feeling that. Is that weird? I'm like, nah. Maybe I'll just leave goals. Because I like the amazing, but I don't feel like that goes. I think like it throws it off. And brave would go, but I don't feel like there's any brave situations happening. Maybe a 12-hour car trip with my kids is brave. I don't know. That's okay. Oh my gosh. All right. So I think let's look at some of the, I always forget to use these little washi strips that are in here. Maybe I could use this blue one. That might be kind of fun with the rainbows, and I can add some grids to it. Let's see. Let's just try this out. I've been trying to remember to use washi more because I have so much and I wanted to buy more, and I did. And I bought this from Amazon because it was way too cute. And so I've got to use it. I'm telling myself I got to use it. All right. So let's see. We shall put this one over here. Whoops, it went off the page. Okay. If I do it like that. Okay, and then I need one more. Maybe we'll kind of tear this one and put it here. I love to do things in threes, like washi. So I usually will add it 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this I can't tear. Let's see what this looks like. I don't have any navy on this page, but you know what? Whatever. Let me see what this would do. Let's cut a couple off. Let's do 3. I don't know. We're just gonna try it. Oh, I think it's cute. And it's clear, so it's kind of fun. I can do 2 and 2 maybe for this one. 2. I can put that there. Is that too many rainbows? That might be too many rainbows. I don't know. Really though, can you ever have enough rainbows? Probably not. That's not even a thing, Marielle. Okay, let's see. How about now? If I put that one there. You know I'm wanting to switch these boxes. Like, you know that's what I'm wanting to do. And it might happen. Hold on. All because of a rainbow washi. Like, really, Mario, what in the world? Let's see. I mean, if I rip it, then I rip it. I'm trying to save the sticker. Do you guys put stickers back in their sticker books like I do? Because I'm like, oh no, I gotta save it. So then I like find where it was, put it back. Really, I guess I could just put it anywhere. But a lot of times I'll do this and then I'll lay it back in there and then I close the book really fast so I make sure that it stays down. Because when it's been down, you know, it needs to kind of press for a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, see, and now I wanted to use this yellow one. Nope, I can't use that. It's looking like a navy. Does that go? Kind of goes. It looks strange. It's not the same color, navy. Well, that's okay. We're going for it. I don't know. I just like it better than having the rainbow there. So we are going for it. I'm going to just put it right here. Bam. It's like, don't overthink it, Marielle. Just go. There. It's down. It is down. Okay, so I've got it in 3 places. I've got my rainbow. Okay, now I'm going to put this back. If I can figure out where it went. There it goes. Okay. There were some stickers in here. Letters. I might just grab, let's see what color they are. There's gold. I don't feel like using gold, but there's this turquoise one. So I'm going to grab FL for Florida. I don't know if I should put them here or here. Let me see. FL. Man, we're gonna have to leave early. I'm like looking at it just like, no. Okay. All right, so I've got all of my things on here and there's plenty of room to add additional boxes and the things that I need to get done. I could even add some from here because I feel like they match. So lots of options. So I'll definitely have to post an after the pen on this one because I feel like it's going to look really different when I'm done. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you would hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so that you can get notifications when I post more videos. Thanks so much and have a wonderful week ahead.